Tired of listening to terrible audio out of your computer? Well, I'll teach you how to fix it. A DAC is a digital to analog converter. It is a device that will take a digital signal and turn it into something speakers understand. There already is one in your computer now, but these usually don't sound very good. What you want is something capable of playing 96 kilohertz 24-bit, and the Dayton Audio DAC01 is perfect. Small and even portable, you can just plug in the DAC with USB and then use the RCA output to run into your desktop amplifier or speakers. Instant improvement. Also, the lights on the front let you know how good of quality your source audio is. Get the DAC01 only at Parts Express.